Hi everybody, today's video is about jewelry. And as you can see, I'm wearing a black dress with some pearls, and I'm going to show you this dress with 4 different jewelry looks. So after you watch this, go through your jewelry box, see what you can come up with, play with it on your bed, and try different kinds of jewelry with different sweaters and dresses and tops that you have, and have some fun with it. So anyway, the first thing I came up with was the pearl necklace, and this is a long strand of pearls that I kind of wrapped around 3 times. And as you can see, I have a dangly pearl earring and I have a stud. So you have 2 different looks. This is the stud, so it's more classic, and this is the dangle, and it's a little more out to dinner, out for drinks type look. And I'm wearing a little pearl bracelet with it. It does have a really cute little clasp. And then I wore some sparkly rings to kind of pick up the sparkle of the clasp. So that's the pearls. And now I'm going to kind of try to take this off without getting too messed up. It's already tangled in my hair. Ouch. There we go. And so this video may not work out. We'll see how I do. But I'm hoping that I can try different kinds of earrings and different kinds of necklaces and jewelry on. Here I've got a silver watch that I'm leaving the pearl bracelet on for now because we're going to stack this time. I'm going to take a watch, add it to the bracelet, and then I'm going to add a little tennis bracelet on the top. So we're going to see how I do at putting it on. That's the tricky part. There. Okay, so I've got them all together. And then I'm going to add another ring. So this is really kind of a bold look on my arm and my hand, but sometimes that's fun, and sometimes you kind of want to play things up a little bit instead of playing them down. So with that, I'm going to take a tennis necklace, and this of course is not real, it's fake, but that's fine with me. And you can get these on JTV, and you can get them on HSN or at any store you want to go to, but obviously look for a sale. They can be kind of pricey, but you can get really good deals too. You do have to kind of treat them a little bit gently. Now I'm having trouble putting my earrings on. I had a feeling this might happen. There we go. There's the dangle. And then I have a stud too. But anyway, what I was saying was these tennis necklaces and tennis bracelets can be all over the board. You can get them for a really reasonable price, and you can pay a lot of money for them too. So there's the stud and just the simple silver tennis necklace, and there's the dangle, and here is the fun wrist. So that's another look that you can try if you want to. And after this, we're going to do rose gold. So we've done pearls, we've done silver. Now we're going to try a little rose gold. And I have a wonderful friend who got me a little set of rose gold tone jewelry at Kohl's. I think it was for my birthday last year. My neighbor got that for me, and I really like it. So I'm taking everything off, all my bracelets, all my rings, and we're going to start from scratch with these 3 cute rose gold bangles. One is just a high polish, one is kind of a glitter finish, and one has little crystals. So I'm going to pop those on. And I'm going to add this necklace that she got me, and it's a drop. So you can see it's got rose gold in the center and kind of, it's sort of a glittery silver metal finish on the outside. And I've also added an extension so I can make it longer. So I'm not going to actually clasp it, but without the extension, it doesn't go all the way down to my dress. So I just wanted you to see you can wear it 2 ways. You can wear it longer, or you could skip the extension and wear it up here, which is where it normally hits me. Now with this, I've got a little pearl stud. I'm going to pop that in one ear. And then I have this rose gold dangle that came with the set. I'm going to put that in the other ear so you can see both. So there's the dangle, and there's short, and there's the pearl, and then I'm going to show you long. I'm just going to slide it down. So get back a little bit with the dangle, with the stud. So it really kind of does change it up. There's those cute bangles again. If you change the length of your necklace, and if you change your earrings, you can go from, you know, kind of casual or business-like to something a little more fun by just changing your earrings out. Okay, now we are going to move on. I have to kind of get organized here. A lot of stuff to show you. We're moving on to gold, and this is going to be the last look. So for this, I'm going to show you different necklace looks. We're going to layer the necklaces this time. So this is a chunky gold tone chain. Now you could add another one that's slightly longer, and that gives you a really pretty look. Or you could add even more. This one actually has two layered on the necklace together. You could put that on with it. You have to kind of get it centered though. I have to scooch back. And that gives you a really layered look. That's kind of fun if you're in the mood for that. So I haven't got anything clasped. We'll see how I do. I'm gonna put this little watch on. And that's gold. And I have a gold bracelet too, so you could actually layer on the bracelet or just wear the bracelet alone, which would look like this. So that's kind of a really pretty simple look. But I'm gonna kind of get rid of the bracelet because I'm layering all my necklaces. I don't feel the need to layer my bracelets. But I do think I'll have some fun with rings. So I'm gonna take off my wedding ring, and I'm gonna put this faux amethyst, kind of like a purple stone, on one finger. And here's a faux pearl. I'm gonna put that in the center. And then I have some turquoise. Well, I don't even think, it might be real turquoise, it might be faux. But anyway, that goes with the turquoise in the necklace. So that's a lot of color and fun that you can do. Now you could layer silver jewelry, of course, or rose gold, but I don't have that many pieces in other colors, so I have more pieces in gold that I can play with. So here's a hoop. I'm gonna put that on real quick. Yay, it actually went through, and got it. I was worried about that one. And then I've got a dangly to show you. So there's the dangly. It's kind of like a little chain tassel. Here's the hoop, a little more classic. Here's the big stack of layered necklaces with lots of rings. Or you could remove the layers and just wear something very classic. You could remove the rings and wear something more classic, and this would be the look, either with a hoop or with a dangle. So let me know what you like, what your favorite look is, and what your favorite pieces are and how you like to play with them with your wardrobe. Thanks for watching. I love you, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.